Chapter 3, Number 17, Part D in OPENSTAX asks us to calculate the mass of glucose if we have 6.854 times 10 to the 3 moles of glucose. So, double check this. Yeah, it's positive 3 moles of glucose. So to do this, first we want to calculate the formula weight of glucose. And so get your periodic table in your calculator. And so for the formula, there are 3 elements. Carbon, there are 6 carbons in the formula. And the average atomic mass of carbon is 12.011. I'm using the average atomic weights from ptable.com. So this gives us 72.066. We have 12 hydrogens. Each hydrogen has a formula weight of 1.008. Punch that out on your calculator and write that here. And for oxygen, we have 6 of those, and our periodic table shows 15.999 for the average atomic mass for an oxygen atom. So we multiply that by 6. Now that we have these weight contributions for each element in our formula, we add all of these up together, and the grand total sum will be the formula weight of the substance. Okay, and this is going to be 180.156, and the units there will be grams per mole. Okay. Step 2 here is to use dimensional analysis to convert moles to grams. So we're starting with 6.854 times 10 to the 3 moles of glucose. And we want to use as a conversion factor the formula weight. So we want to multiply by 180.156 grams of this guy divided by 1 mole of C6H12O6. So the moles of C6H12O6 cancels, and on your calculator we get a very large number. I think this is a misprint in the book, and that should have actually been a -3, but that's what the textbook shows. So let's write this in scientific notation, and let's round it to 4 significant figures. So this is going to be, this is what I'm getting on my calculator. Okay. And we want to position the decimal place there, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 5 times 10 to the 6 grams of C6H12O6. So like 1,000,000 grams of glucose. And so that has 4 significant figures for each of these these values, and I'm rounding the 4 up to a 5 because this 7 is greater than 5. Anyways, that's how you do this problem. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.